Namaskaram dear viewers, Suggamanu. So finally I have learned so much of Malayalam, okay. Now I am going to use it little in my videos. So again it is a good morning and there is rainy season outside. Good morning everyone. तो आज दोबारा से हो रही है फॉक्स वेडिंग बाहर. आप देख सकते हो बारिश भी हो रही है और सूर्य देवता भी आज उपस्थित हैं. And the fox wedding is happening today. सो फॉक्स वेडिंग आप में से जितने भी लोगों को नहीं पता कि केरला के जो मतलब ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स हैं, केरला के नहीं वैसे कमेंट में बहुत सारे लोग बता रहे थे कि उनके साइड भी ये वाली बात बोली जाती है. मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम सुनी थी कि फॉक्स वेडिंग टाइप की कोई चीज़ होती है. अब वो रियल है या नहीं ये बात तो आपको बताना पड़ेगा. सो इट्स सन एज वेल एज आप देख सकते हो बारिश हो रही है और सूर्य देवता भी हैं. सुबह धूप हो रही थी तो आज मैंने सोचा आज बारिश नहीं होगी. वेयर एज केरला में बारिश कभी भी आ जाती है. इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन द मूड ऑफ द लाइक क्लाउड्स. अभी मैं भी रेडी हो चुकी हूँ ऑफिस के लिए. लेकिन अब ना पहले मुझे बारिश में जाने में मज़ा आता था ऑफिस के लिए. बट नाउ आई फील स्केयर्ड बिकॉज वन डे I was going to the office. I was totally drenched in rain. So it was very hard for me to sit at office that day. That's when I decided then when it is raining, it's better to go like slowly. अच्छा कैब वगैरह भी अगर आप लेने का सोचो तो it's not going to be a very safest option because इन्फो पार्क में इस टाइम इतना ज़्यादा ट्रैफिक है. मुझे नहीं लगता लोग टाइम पे ऑफिस पहुंच रहे होंगे. जल्दी भी निकलो कोई मैटर नहीं करता. अब बारिश हो रही है, थोड़ी ही देर में इन्फो पार्क का ट्रैफिक इतना ज़्यादा बढ़ जाएगा. यू विल सी. एनीवेज आज तो मैंने ब्रेकफास्ट भी नहीं खाया है. सो आई एम गोइंग टू आर्यास टू हैव सम ब्रेकफास्ट. Like I told you so many times, like in Kerala, even if it is raining very heavily, no work will be stopped. So that's how we are also going. Like in this much of rain, we are wearing our raincoats and we are going to Aryas to have a good breakfast in the early morning. So to go out, I also dressed up very nicely in a raincoat. I'm ready today. Hi, good morning. It's raining heavily, right?
Yeah, I'm sorry.
And see, it is sunny also. See, people will think I'm mad who are watching the video, but do not feel that I am mad because it is actually raining. Let's go.
That's so cute.
I am looking like that Jadoo, small Jadoo. देख सकते हो उधर सूर्य देवता भी आए हुए हैं और बारिश भी आ रही है, इसलिए मैंने ये पहना है. Otherwise people will feel it's sunny and she is wearing raincoat. This is not the reality, okay? I'll show you the reality after going on the ground floor. Anyway, our lift arrived, so bye. Sun and rain. This view has become so much common for all the Keralites to see these days. Made myself rainproof. It was heavily raining, okay? And now the rain means it's little drizzling. People will think I am mad, insane. To tell me the Malayalam word of insane, okay? In Kerala, you will find a big variety of breakfast. Okay, so breakfast is the very like more highlighted thing in Kerala because they have really good options. And the places, or you can say like outlets like Aryas is there, and there are so many like Samish, Sharvana Bhavan and etc. Like there are so many. You tell me which one is your favorite in Kerala to have your good breakfast. I like the breakfast from everywhere. Okay, but the most preferable one is when I go to the highways and I found some good place for having idli and dosha. So this Aryas is much near to our office places. That's why we most of the time end up here. Not even me, all the techies basically come to this place for having breakfast in the early morning. And the common thing which we order always is dosha. हम यहाँ आ तो चुके हैं पर हमारा ऑर्डर कोई भी नहीं ले रहा है. So Grace is also hungry. She was sleeping and I woke her up. So
It was like more than 7 breakfast when I got up. So
yeah, see. So some people have commented that I have seen Grace or I know her, but when I'm showing her the comments, she's saying like, I have never seen that person. So, chaya. हाँ. ഒരു ചായ ഒരു കോഫി രണ്ട് dosa. So finally my dosha is here. I was really very much excited to have dosha, but I really do not like the soggy dosha. Grace dosa is really good, but the dosa which I have got is really very much soggy, so I do not like soggy dosas. So I am always in search of good doshas and the place where chamandi, I think chamandi or chamandi, tell me what is the right thing to say. So I like the good chamandi and dosha with it. So you tell me if you know any good place where I can have a good dosha. So next time I'll go there and have it. The last dosha which I like was from the Mysore Cafe in Vaina. So currently I am at Infopark Expressway where the metro work is going on, and this is a part of metro work which I am showing you now because I am also really very much interested to see how it is like really happening, but I do not know what is the right time when the metro is going to come over here, because this is really much required. The travel convenience is really required. But do you know who is the metro man of India? That is Mr. E. Sridharan, who is actually from Kerala, and I think they are actually from Kochi. On this part I am not really very sure like exactly where are they from, but the person who has initiated the metro in India was Mr. E. Sridharan. Anyways, I also want to be like a person who is famous for their great what you can say like initiatives. So I am back to office, came back to my office, so now I have to do something better to be like the great people in this world. Anyways, like office time I do not do vlogging, but during cafeteria moments I do vlog. So right now I am in cafeteria to have a chaya. As you can see, like the cafeteria is empty because it's raining very heavily outside and so many companies have given work from home to the employees. So that's why some people are not coming to the office, and some of the employees have already taken sick leaves whose companies are not giving work from home. So this is vice versa. I still remember those school days when we used to get this rainy day holidays. I still crave for it. Anyway, let me have my good chaya. So by the way, those who do not know, in Kerala we do not say chai, we say chaya, and the place where chai is given, that is chai kada. Okay, so this is chai kada. But if you are going outside and you see a chai ki tapri, that is called as thattu kada. See how much Malayalam and like basic things I am able to know now, because I am actually asking from the people. I have never seen this way of making chaya. Okay, by the way, what is this? I always wanted to see like what is this particular utensil, because I have never seen it in my life. So now my chaya is ready. If you know about this utensil and the history, please do let me know, because I really want to know. One thing I can say, this chaya is really light comparatively than other chayas which I have had. अपने कैफेटेरिया में चाय लेने आई हूँ और मुझे चेतन मिले हैं जिन्होंने मुझे चाय दी है. Kerala chaya is different. UP chaya only boiling and drinking. Boiling. And यहाँ पे जो चाय है आपने देखा है, चेटा ने अलग तरीके से चाय बनाई है. The way is very different. चेटा वीड
Kerala, Thrissur.
Thrissur
district Guruvayur വന്നിരിക്കുക.
I know Guruvayur. I am living in nearby.
Kurkanjeri parents.
Parents, father is having business.
Kurkanjeri.
So that's why. That's why Chetan is also from Thrissur. Guruvayur is my favorite place. Guruvayur temple. Now get to know. Cheta pere Prem Raja. Nice. Next time I will come to Guruvayur. Family, entire family in Guruvayur.
Family Guruvayur.
It is so nice to meet Chetan. Chetan is also from Guruvayur. I am also from Guruvayur. We both are not Guruvayur, Thrissur neighbors. Thank you, Chetan.
Okay.
Finally, I have got my cup of chaya and I really feel so much relaxed after having chaya. How many of you are there who likes chaya? But most of the people in Kerala likes to have coffee, but I do prefer chaya. आंटी है और मैं यहाँ पे चाय लेने आई हूँ बिकॉज बहुत ज़्यादा बारिश हो रही है, तो काफ़ी सारी कंपनीज़ ने हॉलीडे दे दिया है. तो ऑलमोस्ट मैं कैफेटेरिया में इस समय बिल्कुल अकेली हूँ एंड आई लाइक टू बी लाइक दिस. नो आई लाइक क्राउड ऑल्सो बट आई प्रेफर टू बी हियर लाइक दिस. तो अभी आपने जिन चड्डा को देखा वो त्रिशूर से थे, गुरुवायूर से, जहाँ से मतलब मुझे गुरुवायूर पसंद है और त्रिशूर के पास में ही है. बेसिकली गुरुवायूर त्रिशूर के पास में ही आता है. गुरुवायूर इटसेल्फ इज़ इन त्रिशूर. गुरुवायूर का जिन लोगों को नहीं पता, टेम्पल बहुत ज़्यादा फेमस है और मेरा फेवरेट है गुरुवायूर टेम्पल. अभी मौसम बहुत ज़्यादा बारिश वाला हो रहा है यहाँ पे, जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया ऑलरेडी अलर्ट है, आप देख सकते हो. मैंने अच्छा नोटिस किया है रेन ओनली कम्स ड्यूरिंग माई लॉग इन एंड लॉग आउट टाइम. इन बिटवीन इट वॉन्ट कम. नाउ यू कैन सी देर इज़ नो रेन. But when I will start walking in the morning time and when I will start walking in the evening time to reach back to my home, then it will be raining like too much. केरला की जो चाय है ना वो बहुत डिफरेंट होती है हमारे यहाँ से. मतलब यूपी में, हमारे यहाँ नॉर्थ साइड में टोटली ऐसे चाय बनती है कि चाय को गैस पे रखा, सारी चीज़ें डाली, बॉईल की और चाय इज़ रेडी. बट केरला में चाय जो है वो थोड़ा अलग प्रोसेस है. मुझे प्रोसेस पूरा डिटेल में नहीं पता है, इसलिए मैंने वो वीडियो बनाई है. आप देख के मुझे बताइएगा कि केरला का चाय बनाने का प्रोसेस क्या होता है. तो बेसिकली ये जो चाय होती है वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा लाइट होती है कंपैरेटिवली. मतलब इतनी ज़्यादा हैवी नहीं लगती. चाय पीने के बाद थोड़ा जो भारीपन होता है वो नहीं लगता है. तो दैट्स व्हाई आई प्रेफर दिस चाय नाउअडेज. It's a very strange thing but very true thing also. Like whenever someone tells me that I am from Thrissur, then I feel like, oh, this person is from my place. Basically, I spent only 1 year in Thrissur and after that I'm having a feeling of like all the Thrissur people belongs to me and I belongs to them. So I have a very like family feeling with the people who are from Thrissur. I'm super excited and whenever anywhere that song goes on na, that Kanda song, so I feel like, oh, that's my song. So this is like my connectivity in last 5 years. I have started feeling that I am being a part of all this. Whenever anyone is from Thrissur, their accent is from that side, so I can easily understand, oh, this person is from Thrissur. Not that easily, but there is a accent change, no? I have heard a lot between Kochi and Thrissur. There is a accent difference. Now little I am able to understand, but not to the 100%. But yeah, whenever someone comes from Thrissur, even if you will hear my Malayalam, then my Malayalam is also more over like a Thrissur accent Malayalam. So this all have happened within 1 year of staying in Thrissur. Anyways, now the like Mara season is going on and either it's morning or it's night. The weather is same and the very big benefit of this weather is you will get a very good sleep in Kerala these days, because the cold weather and the noise of the like outside, there will be insects and all, you will be getting that noise. That is very much calming for me, so that's what I really like. I know so many people are very irritated with that, but I do like it. So you can see like this is a very peaceful time for me to observe the rain and see the minute things. That's what I'm trying to show you over here. That happiness lies in the small things, not the big things. For sure, big things will give you happiness. I was thinking about this Air India incident where everyone was capable. Some people were doctors, some people were really like on a big position and all. But when the death came, within 1 minute or 2 minutes, everything got over. So that's what I will tell you as a life lesson. Live your life to the fullest and enjoy the little things happening in your life. Be happy. रात का टाइम हो रहा है. It's almost like it's like very late at night and now it's too much raining outside, as you can see. But the weather is super cool, okay? सो अभी मैं रिसेंटली अपने फ्रेंड से बात कर रही थी नॉर्थ में, तो वो लोग बोल रहे थे कि केरला में तो तुम्हारे बहुत बारिश है, यू आर लकी, बिकॉज नॉर्थ में इस समय बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी है. बेसिकली अभी जब केरला का भी समर सीज़न आया था तो बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी ही थी, और मैं सोच सकती हूँ कि वो लोग अभी किस वाले गर्मी से गुजर रहे होंगे. मुझे नहीं पता कि दुबई में और अलग अलग जगहों पे क्या हाल है. कोई अगर दुबई से हो या और भी किसी गर्म जगह से हो तो बताइएगा कि आपके यहाँ कैसा एटमॉस्फेयर है इस टाइम, बिकॉज आई नो इट्स सुपर डुपर हॉट एवरीवेयर except Kerala, because currently the rain is happening a lot. Okay, I like touch wood because I do not want this to be disturbed. क्योंकि ऐसी बारिशों में नींद बहुत अच्छी आती है दैट्स वाई। सो बेसिकली अभी रात का टाइम हो रहा है तो हम भी बस सोने ही जा रहे थे। हमने अभी नई नई ये लाइट्स माउंट करी हैं रूम में, आप देख सकते हैं फेरी लाइट्स। अभी तक हम लोग कभी गर्ल्स की तरह नहीं रहते, प्रॉपर गर्ल्स जैसे रहती हैं फेरी लाइट्स वगैरह लगा के, लेकिन फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम वी हैव डन दिस। एनीवेज अभी मेरी रूममेट भी अपना फ़ोन यूज़ कर रही है तो मैं ज़्यादा डिस्टर्ब नहीं करती हूँ मैं सुबह की प्रिपरेशन कर रही हूँ बेसिकली बिकॉज मुझे ऑफिस जाना है कल। सो ऑफिस जाने के लिए बहुत सारी प्लानिंग करनी पड़ती है एक दिन पहले। मतलब एक दिन पहले की जो प्लानिंग होती है इट कंसिस्ट ऑफ सुबह मुझे क्या ब्रेकफास्ट बनाना है, क्या लंच बनाना है, और स्पेसिफिकली अभी बारिश का टाइम है तो क्या पहन के जाना है। बिकॉज आई टोल्ड यू ना, I have got drenched in rain very badly already. So now I'm not taking any risk. My umbrella is also broken, as you know, so that's why. So I'm deciding on purse. As you can see, I have lot of bags. I'll turn on the light. So I have lot of bag collection with me. I have recently purchased this bag organizer so that my bags are kept properly, and these are just few bags, some bags are here also. So these days I'm very much deciding which bag I have to take for my office, because such bags when it comes in contact with rain it becomes bad. That's why I'm deciding what to take tomorrow. And deciding a bag for a girl is very difficult because अभी मुझे बैग में सारा कुछ दोबारा से ऑर्गेनाइज करना होगा। मेरा बैग प्रॉपर एक डोरेमोन की पॉकेट जैसा होता है, हर चीज़ मिलेगी आपको मेरे बैग में, मेडिसिन और सब कुछ जो एक पर्सन को चाहिए होता है, फेविक्विक वगैरह सब कुछ मिलेगा बिकॉज आई डू ट्रेवल अ लॉट, दैट्स माई हैबिट। सो एनीवे लेट मी पैक माई बैग्स, लेट मी गेट माई थिंग्स रेडी एंड आई विल गेट बैक टू यू इन द मॉर्निंग। बाय, गुड नाइट।